Hello and welcome from a caravan salon Dusseldorf. I'm going to show you a Volkswagen a camper van over here, 680 centimeters in length. It's the Maxia van from Hobby. I think it's been very competitively priced at 74,530. There's some information on it. Four belted positions, says 3 sleeping places. I think that's pushing it a bit, and it's 205 centimeters standing height inside, and from that point of view that will be very interesting for tall people, because the rear bed is long and the standing height inside is really good. So as this is the main thing, I want to show you what it looks like with me in here. I've got a window there. Look at all this span to touching the roof. There, that gives you an idea of the height of the vehicle. So if you're tall, you will appreciate something like this. Let's look through the storage under the bed. So plenty of space there for carrying stuff around with you. You've also got cupboards to either side. Here we have even also a little cupboard. Storage along the top, which I'll show you one of. Oh, there you go. Maybe it's not that deep, but not a lot of room to play with in here. And you've got a window light up there, and you put stuff at the back there. At the rear, there's a window on either side, and there's small windows in the door. And I might come back to that subject a little bit later. We find light coming in also from up there. The kitchen block is the same as everywhere. You get 2 burners, you get a sink, and you get a fridge. This one's from Dometic, and it's one of these ones that opens in both directions. We have got under the kitchen block very nice drawers, and here we will find this washroom, which has a lot of space. Now, you probably wouldn't normally want to have a carpet down here. It comes with drainage points in the corners too, and the reason the carpet's there is people coming in, we're going to want to sell it. There is me in the washroom. Look at all this space here. And we've got a slidey door to stop the toilet getting wet as well. Sorry, I'm going to turn the camera around. I don't have to, I've got a mirror in front of me. There's the toilet. Even though it's got this storage plate here, I think there's still quite a lot of room around the bulwark. The table isn't particularly large, but then again, it's possibly sufficient. And if you want a bigger table, you need a different vehicle. I'm not so keen on these things at all. Can't see the point of them. I can see a point in a little bit, but not all the way around. It's all right for leaving the television remote in, but in your telephone. But do you really have that much stuff that you need it to go all the way around the vehicle? Here's a kitchen extension, and there's also one of these keeper things for keeping shoes or whatever, sandals or something in there as you come in. I think that is a brilliant piece of equipment. As I come out, you will notice that there is one of these Moschettiera, and I'll take you to the door at the back, assuming of course it's open, because I didn't check. One of the problems I've noticed with the Maxia, the doors never want to stay open. The VW, I should have said. Right. This is broken. Now, normally when you do this and you put force on it like that, it pops out, but this one isn't going to pop out. Anyway, you've probably seen a gas cupboard before. See, look at the storage all the way around as well. I think this is brilliant. I mean, this, and when you've got the bed up, because this will all come out, you can put it to one side, and then have access to all of this down here. You don't. I mean, you do it without even moving the bed. I think that's really, really good. So I didn't close that properly. It also comes in a different layout, and this is a rear lounge, similar price range, and this also claims that it sleeps 3. The sleeping 3, well, you do get, there is this kit to make an extra bed out of, but I think they're thinking of sleeping 3 in the back down here, and I certainly think that in the other vehicle. But enormous rear lounge here. What I have to say is about the rear windows is I think you want, in a rear lounge, you want more windows. It's a little bit like it being in the tent in here, I feel. I mean, others might think differently, but I think in this one they ought to have put more windows, in my opinion. It could also obviously do with some kind of a insect screen at the back as well, so you can have the doors wide open, and see what's going on outside. In here we've got the same washroom, exactly. Kitchen blocks, same. But there's no bench here at the front, which allows this to have this rather large cupboard. There's also a bit of space in the cupboard below as well. I've done a separate video on this one. You know, VW, automatic. As VW campers go, I've got to give this one my I think this is the best one I know of so far. It mightn't be by the time this goes up, it mightn't be the best one, but at the moment it's the best one. So there you have VW Maxia van. Hobby's also introduced a new Fiat Ducato van. I'll leave you a link to that below. It has a prototype of Fiat Ducato. Is a bit shorter. It's 636 centimeters long. So it's a good. There's a good almost half a meter difference between the two. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest selection of motorhomes and camper vans on YouTube, so if you're interested in this type of thing, you might want to subscribe. I have done this for a number of years, so if you look for something which is used, or you see something used turning up on the market, you want to check what it looked like you want to go back to 2014 or something like that and see what it looked like then. It's a 2014 model. You might even find it on this site as it looked when it was new, and you also get the new price as it was then. You can see when things were uploaded, so I'm uploading usually within the season. So it's a 2014 model, so it maybe came out in 2013, something along those lines. But YouTube gives the date, so I tend to upload. It takes me a while often to upload, but it's done within the 6 months following the event, as a rule anyway. So thanks very much for being here with me, and all the best for now. See you in another video.